Hey there, YouTube family. Welcome back to our channel, Health, Fitness and Nutrition, where we dive into the world of natural beauty and wellness. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for a healthier, happier you. Today, we're talking about something that many of us are passionate about: hair growth. We all dream of having thick, luscious locks. And while there are many products out there, sometimes the best solutions come straight from nature. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 incredible herbs that can stimulate hair growth and help you achieve the hair of your dreams. So, let's get started. First up, we have rosemary. This fragrant herb is known for its ability to improve circulation to the scalp, which in turn stimulates hair growth. Rosemary oil can be massaged directly into the scalp or added to your shampoo for an extra boost. Just a few drops of rosemary oil, combined with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil, can make a big difference in your hair care routine. For best results, massage it into your scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse it out after an hour. Some people even leave it in overnight for an intensive treatment. Have you tried this method? Let me know in the comments. Next, let's talk about peppermint. Not only does it smell amazing, but peppermint oil can also invigorate your scalp and promote hair growth. The menthol in peppermint increases blood flow to the hair follicles, encouraging them to grow thicker and stronger hair. Try mixing a few drops of peppermint oil into your shampoo or conditioner, or create a refreshing scalp massage blend with it. For a quick scalp treatment, dilute it with a carrier oil and massage into your scalp for 5 minutes before shampooing. This not only helps with hair growth, but also leaves your scalp feeling tingly and refreshed. Number 3 on our list is aloe vera. While technically a succulent, this miracle plant is packed with vitamins and minerals that nourish the scalp and promote healthy hair growth. Aloe vera also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help with scalp conditions like dandruff. You can use fresh aloe vera gel directly from the plant, or look for pure aloe vera products to add to your hair care regimen. Apply the gel to your scalp and hair, leave it on for about 30 minutes, and then rinse it out. It's soothing, hydrating, and can also help to balance the pH of your scalp. Fourth, we have nettle. This herb is rich in vitamins A, C, K, and several B vitamins, all of which are essential for hair health. Nettle can be taken as a tea, used in hair rinses, or even consumed in capsule form. Nettle tea is easy to make and can be a soothing addition to your daily routine. Simply steep dried nettle leaves in hot water for 10-15 minutes. Drinking this tea not only benefits your hair, but also supports overall health. For a hair rinse, let the tea cool down and use it as a final rinse after shampooing and conditioning. Coming in at number 5 is ginseng. Known for its ability to boost energy, ginseng also promotes hair growth by stimulating hair follicles. Ginseng can be found in many hair care products, or you can use ginseng oil for scalp massages. Regular use of ginseng can strengthen your hair and prevent breakage. You can make a ginseng tea and use it as a hair rinse, or massage ginseng oil into your scalp once or twice a week. This helps to improve blood circulation and can even reduce hair thinning. Sixth on our list is lavender. This lovely herb not only helps with stress relief, but also promotes hair growth. Lavender oil can increase the number of hair follicles and make your hair thicker. Lavender oil smells amazing and can be a relaxing addition to your nighttime routine. Add a few drops to your favorite carrier oil and massage it into your scalp before bed. This not only promotes hair growth, but also helps you sleep better. Alternatively, you can add a few drops to your shampoo or conditioner. Last but not least, we have horsetail. This ancient plant is rich in silica, which strengthens hair and promotes growth. Horsetail can be found in supplement form, or used in hair rinses. Adding horsetail supplements to your diet, or using horsetail infused products can really enhance your hair health. For a simple hair rinse, steep horsetail in hot water, let it cool, and use it after shampooing. This strengthens your hair from the roots and adds a natural shine. And there you have it, 7 powerful herbs that can help stimulate hair growth and give you the beautiful hair you deserve. Remember, consistency is key, so incorporate these herbs into your routine and give them some time to work their magic. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Health, Fitness and Nutrition for more natural beauty tips and tricks. Comment down below if you have any questions, or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, stay healthy and stay beautiful.